Interesting day. I fitted this interesting, beautiful 2-into-1 exhaust system on the bike. Goes right back here. This is the muffler that came with it. There was just no way I was going to hang that, or could hang that, because the bracket's on the wrong side, and it just wouldn't work, and it weighs like, I don't know, at least 10 pounds. So it just was not good. This bike probably had the 2 pipes coming from the engine, left side back, and 2 pipes back here, because this bracket, this metal bracket here, had some other parts hanging off of it, and I cut them off and made this work. So it comes down in here, and there's a bracket underneath that right angle bracket. I'll touch it up a little bit. And that attaches to the exhaust pipe. There's a tab right on the exhaust pipe, right there. This shorty muffler is going to make the bike loud, but it'll be neat. It's a competition bike anyway. So I got this exhaust system built in, and I'll touch up any little bitty spots like that one I just showed you. But it looks pretty good. Could also paint this chrome bar here black, but I'm not going to do that now. We'll see what the client thinks, how he wants it. So anyway, the bike is coming along nicely. The engine is all together, got good spark, got the ignition initial set, the carburetor is mounted. Next thing I'll do, I have to run these 2 wires that go from the alternator up to the rectifier. It's just a matter of hooking up. Got the little bitty miniature battery in here for ignition, keep alive, solid state rectifier, and very, very simplified wiring, nothing to it. Ignition switch and lights. Little bit of hooking up wires, put the gas tank on it, and maybe do a first start, just to see what happens. There's so many things about this engine that were non-stock. It will be interesting to see, A, if it runs, B, if it runs well, and see if it doesn't blow itself apart. So it's going to be interesting in the next day or so. I hope to do the first start. In the meantime, isn't that a pretty exhaust system? It is just lovely. As the Brits say, it's a lovely bit of kit. K-I-T. It's a lovely bit of kit. I like it a lot. So it's going to be interesting to see how it sounds.